You run a forward-thinking company, operating with all the lean principles in place, always striving to stay on the edge of innovation and efficiency. You rely on technology like ERPs to manage your inventory, pricing and billing, and MRPs to manage raw materials and workflow, helping to ensure your bottom line is always in the black. But what about the front end of your company? Is your sales process managed with the same principles and technology? Do you have as much visibility and control over your sales processes as you'd like? How many quotes were generated last month? For which models? Which options? How about your dealer activity? Who's quoting and not selling, and why? Now there's finally a way to get that visibility and control. Atlatl's Sales Automation Suite. Far more than just a typical CPQ or CRM, Atlatl is revolutionizing the way manufacturers quote, sell, and produce their products, with direct sales, distribution, or both. Atlatl allows you to build and configure your custom product in a rich 3D environment right on your tablet or desktop PC. Demonstrate your product's unique features without ever leaving your client's office. By automating the process and removing non-value-added cost inefficiencies, such as redundant sales call trips, repetitive rules-based engineering, cumbersome RFQ processes, and revision cycles, you'll be able to provide an accurate quote on the spot, not in weeks or months, complete with custom drawings and detailed spec sheets. Atlatl also provides visibility into powerful sales data, making production forecasting more accurate and reliable, allowing you to finally do your quarterly projections looking out in front, using real-time detailed sales information instead of having to rely only on historical data in the rearview mirror. Imagine the potential return on investment by increasing the speed and accuracy of your RFQ process. You'll see a dramatic rise in your top-line sales numbers, and by removing unnecessary travel costs and expenses associated with redundant needless sales trips to the client, you'll also notice a nice improvement to your bottom-line profit. Increase your sales and reduce costs, all at the same time. Atlatl, the ultimate sales tool.